Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. Hope everybody's having a great week. What is this and why do we have it? There's a story. There's always a story. A couple weeks ago, customer brings in their John Deere LA 105, says he thinks his transmission pulley is blown out. Well, unfortunately, it's John Deere. John Deere's, they got transmission issues. Let me show you what happened. This was his transmission and his pulley was rocking and rolling. But when we removed everything, we found it was not anything to do with the transmission pulley itself. It was the whole transmission. He had wallered out the entire casing here. Now, I did not have a used transmission to give this customer, so he took it upon himself to get on Facebook Marketplace and find a $75 John Deere Rider that was just for parts. It's got a locked up engine on it. But yeah, he got the whole thing for $75 with a good transmission. So we got his transmission on there, but we did find there's some idler pulleys that need to be replaced. We have them ordered. They should be coming today. The ones off this thing were not good. We weren't even going to go there. But before we throw this whole thing back together, he's got another issue we got to tackle. Y'all might have seen this deck. I put it in a post on Facebook. Look at this thing. It is scary. We cannot throw this mower back together and just expect this to be good. So today, I'm tackling this. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Now, it is that time of year, guys. You're going to start storing those riding mowers and zero turns, and I hope you have not let it get to this point. I have made a previous video where I show that you can get a pressure washer extension for your pressure washer that it has a 120-degree angle on the bottom of it. Every once in a while, if you just give it a good spray underneath, you would never get to this point. But this guy looks like he's been mowing straight up mud. Now, the last thing you want to do is leave all this debris on the underside and the top side of your mower all winter long, because although it is composting while it's sitting there, it's also rotting your deck out. So I'm going to remove these blades and get to chiseling. Well, thankfully, the stars on his shafts look pretty good. We are going to have to get off all this fishing line. Ugh. Wow, that's a lot of debris. And to be honest, it's not the worst we've ever seen. I've got most of it dried off. Gonna blow it a little bit more, but I want you to see this deck's been welded before. And of course, all of the paint on these John Deere decks comes off quite easily on all this 100 series. We've seen it multiple times. The powder coating just was not good on these decks. Now that we've got it to this point, next step, coating it. Let me show you what I use. So next we're going to use a rust and corrosion preventative called fluid film. Now this stuff is amazing. I had not heard about it really for some reason until I went to the Equip Expo 2 years ago, and the guys gave me a couple little cans like this. They had no idea who I was. They still probably don't. I am not sponsored by them, but I have been using it ever since. I looked into the company and I was super excited to find out not only are they a family-owned American-based company that has been in business since the 1940s, they actually created fluid film for the World War II Navy, but they haven't bought out yet. They're still family-owned today. Now, we could paint the deck, but painting is not going to stop this rust. We've already can see from the powder coating, once it starts chipping, it's going to let that oxygen and moisture in, and it's going to rust more. With a lanolin-based product, it's going to continue to stay on there. It's going to leach the moisture out and protect the metal from any future moisture and oxygen. Now, this is not something that you can just do once and you're good to go. You'll need to apply it at least every season. I do it twice. But the good thing about this is I can apply it right now. And no, it's not going to stop this customer from probably building up a bunch of mud on his deck again, but hopefully it'll cut down on some of that rust. If you'd like to get some of your own fluid film, I will leave a link in the description box below. But before I head over there, I do want to remind you, you only have about a week left to get your tickets at half price for the Equip Expo in Louisville, Kentucky this year. It's going on from October 21st to the 24th. I will be there the entire time. I would love to see you there. And don't forget, if you use the promo code Chickanic, you will get half off. So that is $15 for all 4 days. Prices do go up September 4th to $60, so then your half off will only be $30, so make sure to get your tickets today and use that promo code Chickanic. Oh yeah, she looks pretty now. So guys, this is the reminder at the end of the season, definitely get those decks clean and protected. Because the last thing you want to do is let it rust out and have to be buying a $600 deck. And thanks again for tuning in to Chickanic. Hopefully these videos save you some time, money, and frustration in the future. And if you ain't tired of me yet, check this video out right here.